Hitbot Parallel Electric Gripper EFG-30 adopts special transmission and drive algorithm compensation. The clamping force is 10 to 40 Newton, total stroke 30 mm. Support more than 5 installation methods. Easy to integrate. Built-in driver takes up little space. It can handle many clamping tasks. The one-way motion time is only 0.02 seconds. With 0.02 mm repeatability, support flexible clamping, can easily grip fragile and deformable items. Hitbot Parallel Electric Gripper is simple to configure. Support for 85 Modbus RTU. Pause. L multiple control methods. Compatible with PLC main control system. The terminal of the gripper can be replaced at any time. Strong compatibility. Users can design the clamp according to the shape and state of the object to be clamped.